It is the time of lockdown in Telangana and in the rest of India, and we were going on the roads looking for street children here and there. That's when we saw three of these children, and we asked them where the home was. And here, just by the side of Tang Bund, just by the side of the Hussain Sagar Lake, was what three of these children came from, and they live right under this road. It's a most fascinating story that I've seen, because I've lived here in Hyderabad for 22 years, and I never knew that there's a family living right under Tang Bund, right by the side of the Hussain Sagar Lake, and there's a very good reason why they live here. Shiva. He says he came here when he was 5 years old, and he's the one who, in fact, takes out all the dead bodies of people when they fall into waters, either in the Hussain Sagar Lake or elsewhere. And he has his family is now settled in this particular place. He has 7 children. All these children, in fact, he has put them in hostels and in schools here. He works with the police, in fact, and he works with NGOs here. And these children now, he does not put any of them to work. That is the beautiful part. He has not put any of them to work. He sends them all to school. The eldest of them, in fact, goes to a hostel. She is in the 10th class. And any of you speak English also? Matladda? What is your name and where do you study?
My name is Viprain. I am studying in 7th B section in Hydernagar hostel.
In hostel. And during the lockdown, how is life different? Enta different emundi ippudu life lo?
Yes, madam. So many problems are there in my life, and food is not sufficient, and home is not sufficient, and so many dirty smell is coming, and ugly smell. So much of dirty here.
So your father does a very difficult work, but he supports all of you with great difficulty during this time. Due to the lockdown, what is the kind of problems that your family is facing?
Yes, madam. So many problems, but going bathroom and doing bathing, and we are drinking water also not giving sufficient water.
No clean water.
Yes, madam. And in the night, so many mosquitoes and coming, and so much of problem.
So many mosquitoes. That is but natural, because they are by the side of the road. We are telling people that this is a time of being very sanitized and having clean water and living with masks, and that is not a reality that they can really follow. Ee time lo कहते हैं ना कि सबको मास्क पहनना चाहिए, सबको हाथ साफ करना चाहिए. आपके लिए तो अच्छा पानी तो नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
अब देखो अम्मा, साफ करना बोलता अपन परिशुभ्र स्वच्छ भारत बोल के नरेंद्र मोदी साहब जब से बोल रहे थे आ रहा, अभी वो कोई भी नहीं यूज़ नहीं कर रहे ना, इसलिए.
पानी आपको है कोई अच्छा पानी आने वाला व्यवस्था है?
नहीं है मैडम, पानी पीने के लिए नहीं है. हम जाकर रामकृष्ण मठम से पानी भर के ला लेते, और हम भी पीते, और उधर ऊपर कबूतर को भी पिलाते. हमारे घर वाले उससे पकड़, मैं तो इसमें ना लेता हूँ, इसमें रह. मेरे को लिए ये है, वो लोगों के लिए वो ला के थोड़ा बहुत यूजिंग कर लेते.
So you can see an entire family here, and in fact Shiva tells us that he has trained at least 10 other people. 14 log bole aap jinko aapne training diya hai, who are all people who do work like him. In fact, it is the kind donors who have given him a vehicle as well, so that he can go to any part of Telangana to be able to take out the bodies. But for families like this, living on the edge, it is a big challenge during the time of lockdown. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV. This is a landmark on the Tang Bund in Hyderabad, and what you see here, in fact, is a vehicle that actually carries dead bodies. What we discovered today is that inside this dome there's an entire family that is living, and that is in fact Shiva and his wife Shanti and their children who live under this dome. They have been allowed to live there by the municipal authorities here, because Shiva does a very important service of in fact taking out bodies from the Hussain Sagar Lake, those people who decided to end their lives or there is an accident. He has saved as many as 114 lives so far, 2 in just this period of lockdown. Shanti also is a swimmer. In fact, he says he has trained her to swim and to retrieve bodies, and that's what they do. On this vehicle also you can see the bodies that they have kind of retrieved. They have saved many lives as well. He must have retrieved as many as 1,000 bodies here and elsewhere as well. And this is something that the family does. Now, of course, with 7 children, they live under this place. There is no proper water supply or a bathroom, but they are rendering service to humanity. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.